Yeah, progress.
Hello, hello.
Mialo.
Hello, hello, hello. Concentrate, concentrate. Pudina.
Halo.
Hello, hello. Pudina.
Hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yes, today up to end of the class, concentrate. Why? Because very important concept. First fundamental in any database system in the worldwide also group by class only. Group by class, you don't have an idea. You are unable to write at least one query also in a database. Impossible. Now why? Because in a select statement, regularly used concept is group by. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Anybody attending a what previous class, small concept I'm starting, or sorry, smallest one I'm explaining only within a group by. What I'm telling, group by class, okay? Yes, actually this group by class is used in a way select statement. What I'm telling in a previous class means, slowly observe it here. This is user, in a user is there, okay? I'm setting environment. In a duplicate data is there in a table, slowly observe it, easily understandable, conceptually easy, but so many rules are there, but unfortunately. This is a table is there, select a star from EMP is a table. In this table here, department number column, best example, are now here, observe it here, department number column is there. In this column here, 20 is there, same 20 is available in a where? In a different location. Again, same 20 is available in a very different position. Same 20 is available, same. That's why these are duplicate data. So again, 30, 30, 30, 30. That's why 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10. These are called similar data items. These similar data items are available in a where it is similar manner. This similar manner means in different position only it will be there. But in my project, I want to group a what those all similar data items into where some sets only. Suppose 10, here 10, here 10 into where one set. Again 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 into where another set. Again 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 6 30s are there here. And now these 30s into where one set I want. How can I means just here some different clause is there in a select statement. Yes, that clause we are using in a database means automatically those similar data items are arranged into where some sets. That is group by clause. In a group by clause, whatever column we are giving based on that one, automatically similar data items are arranged into where some sets only. But unfortunately, these similar data items arranged into where some sets also, these are logical sets, not a physical sets. What is logical sets means? These all 10s are automatically reduced and only one time only 10 is displayed. That's why group by clause default behavior is reduces number of rows in each group. Again, here these all 20s are reduced, only one time only 20 is displayed. Again, here these all 30s are reduced number of rows in each group, then automatically one time only 30 is displayed. This is the default and nature of the where group by clause. Group by clause always reduces number of rows in each group. That is, keep it in mind. I don't want to reduce this number of rows in each group means in a future subquery chapter is there, in that one analytical functions are there. Yes, through that one we are learning only. That is different. This is different. Okay, group by clause is a regular. Group by clause is reduces number of rows in each group only. That is already I'm telling. Group by clause is used to divide similar data items into set of logical groups. I'm telling. That is, group by clause automatically reduces number of rows in each group So now here already I'm telling only. And also what I'm telling that group by clause is used in a where select statement I'm telling only. Okay. But unfortunately syntax is totally different. So now what I'm telling you what in a previous class, anybody not any miss, fastly observe it here. In a group by class syntax, what I'm telling, just observe it here, newcomers observe it here, select. Generally select after we are using a what? Within a select statement only we are using a group by class, I'm agree. But after select only, just most of the programmers using a star. But here, whenever we are using a group by class, we are not allowed to use any star only. If you are using a what, any star means it won't work. Very, very important. There is a logic only first construction side. Already in a previous class, we are learning only, but in a newcomers are there, check it out. Here after select, don't try to use any star. Here compulsory, we are using a what? Yes, any column name or group function name we are using only. But first time newcomer purpose, column name, I am writing only. Okay, fine. Yes, here, any number of, select number of columns from table name. Okay. Here where clause also there, that is later. First we are learning a what? Group space by, here column name. A number of columns also after group by. But first this is the syntax, just practice purpose. ANSI ISOSQL giving only. That's why select a number of columns or functions from table name, group space by column name. Up to this one we are discussing in a previous class. Okay na? Yeah. Now concentrate here. Now today, very, very important. This is so much a powerful concept only. That's why what I am designing means differently I'm designing. What I am telling me is concentrate here. What I am telling, what we are learning today means differently. I'm explaining how means, how easily means your understandable means I'm decided a what. First, I am only writing a what, some group by class queries. Some queries blindly I'm writing. Really that queries you don't have an idea. But outputs observation purpose, oh, maybe 10, 10, 10, only one time 10, only 20, 20, 20, only one time 20, only clerk, only one time clerk only. That's why reduces number of rows or not. Yes, just observe it, output observe it 1 minute only. Okay, fine. Otherwise 5 minutes only. You are just, whatever I am writing only, just you are observing the output or you note it down. Suddenly after these 3 queries, okay, outputs you are observing, output purpose, input you don't have an idea. Then immediately I'm asking about based on these questions, these queries only, one rule is there, that rule I'm asking. That is you are guessing means great. Okay. That is a universal rule in a where group by class data, okay, query side. Now, once you are good at what that rule, then only I am telling you what executions most powerful. Execution only important. Group by clause executions are most powerful. Without execution, we can't understandable group by clause. That's why executions I am telling. Okay, diagrammatically on all these things. Once executions you are good, then only now diagrammatically I'm telling about some queries. After that execution, group by class execution, having is a clause is there restricting the groups. After that one, we are learning a what order by. Then only now here these all statements in a single select statement I'm telling. Then only roll up and cube clauses are how it is working in a where in a group by clause I'm telling only most powerful concept. These all the things are very, 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 very important. First, blindly, I am writing the queries. Don't worry, because just outputs observation purpose. Now check it out. This is a department number column is there. Very easy. First observe it here. Anybody? Now here, yes, this is a department number column is there. Now I want to count a what? How many number of 10s are there? How many number of 20s are there? How many number of 30s are there? For example, in my project, suppose here department numbers I want to count it. Department number I want to display. I want to display here number of employees or number of employees in a where in each department, for example. Okay, fine. For example, okay, fine. I want to count manually. And now anybody count it 10. How many times are there? Just manually. Here 10 one time, 10 second time, 10 here third time. That's why 10 how many times are there? Okay, in a report here 10 how many times are there? Okay, duplicate data in each group I am counting just manually 3. Okay, fine. Again here 20 how many times are there? Count it. Maybe this duplicate data in my project only I want to counting 1 2 3 4 5. Very good. Some fellows are telling 5 only. Oh, maybe 20 is a duplicate data. Is a 5 times are available. Okay, slowly observe it here. Again 30 how many times are there? This duplicate data 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, maybe 30 is available. 30 is available in a way 6 times. But unfortunately, here duplicate data is there in this column. Suppose in my project report side, I want to count manually. 10 is how many times, 20 is how many times, 30 is how many times. In this case, very easy. Why? Because here 14 rows, 15 rows, 100 rows, or 50 rows are available. Manually also we are counting. But unfortunately, 1 lakh records are there. Or okay, 1 crore records are there, 1 lakh records are there, for example. In those 1 lakh records, so much of duplicate data, 10 so many times repeated, 20 so many times are repeated, 30 so many times are repeated, for example. In that case, I want to count the duplicate data in each group. 10 how many times are occurred, 20 how many times are occurred, 30 how many times are occurred. We are counting manually, not so easy. Anywhere also you are mistaken manually means, because the number of rows are very increasing means automatically human person mistaken only. That's why, and also difficult. That's one. Like records means not so easy. That's why in this type of situation, we are writing in a database side in a group by class reports or duplicate data in each group. I want to calculate means then group by class in this type of situation they are writing. Suppose here I want to display here each department number of employees means how can I means don't write it, just observe it here. Just you are a good professional means a duplicate data is available means that column we are using select department number comma number of rows means counting means anybody attending about previous class group functions. I am telling group functions recently we are learning or not, count star, max, min, average, something is there or not. Yes, here from table name blindly we are writing a what group space by here some column name we are writing means random order also don't worry. Yes, automatically that is server is counting or not. 10 is 3 times, 20 is 5 times, 30 is 6 times. These are random order, but in a future order by class we are using means arrange our data in a where. Yes, okay, so 10, 20, 30 like that also not a problem. That's why first this query write it. Query, don't worry, just maybe outputs only, reducing number of rows in each group. Just here, observe it only. Okay, don't worry about query. Query one of the stage you are good, but first, okay, write it. Write a query. Write a query. Practice purpose. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees. Write a query to display number of employees in each department, number of employees in each department from EMP table, by using group by class, Write a query to display number of employees in each department from EMP table by using group by class. Okay, some report, don't worry. Okay. Now this one write it. Query, don't worry. Maybe outputs observe to 10, 10, 10, only one time 10 only displayed. 20, 20, 20, one time or 20 only displayed. Just that is you are observing means enough. These outputs are very important. Only outputs purpose first 5 minutes only. Okay, yeah. Then based on this one we are starting. Write in this query and outright this output. Don't worry about these queries and outputs. One of these days I tell you all the things today. Select department number. Count star means here group functions are there. In a previous classes we are learning, average, count star, count column name. Some group functions are there. That one. Department number 10 3 times, 25 times, 36 times like this. Completed this one. Yes, now check it out. Concentrate here. Okay, this is just, oh, maybe some report, that's all. Okay, 10 not displayed, only one time is displayed. I want 20 not displayed, only one time is displayed. That is enough. Okay, this queries and this ones, how it is working next only, don't worry. Now, again, practice purpose, again, observe here in place of department number, just in our duplicate the value column, practice purpose, job is a column also, Oracle Corporation giving in a empty table. Here, job also, here it will display the what? Here, clerk is there, clerk is there, clerk is there. Here, salesman is there, duplicate data. Here, manager is there. That's why always each and every job, how many number of employees are there, those things I want in a report means just practice purpose in place of department number. I am using a what? Job is a column. Here also, just here, job is a column I'm using only. Oh, maybe duplicate values are available in that column. Just I try to execute this query. Oh, maybe observe here. Yes, how many clerks are there? Here, 4. How many salesmen are there? 4. How many analysts are there? 2. How many managers are there? 3. How many presidents are there? 1. But here, clerk, 4 times are not displayed. Only 1 time is displayed. Salesman, 4 times are not displayed. Only 1 time is displayed or not? Yes, this is also observe it only report. Write a query. Just I'm changing a copy paste purpose. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees in each job, number of employees in each job from EMP table by using group by class. By using group by class. Write a query to display. Write a query to display number of employees in each job from EMP table by using group by class. Write a query to display number of employees in each job from EMP table by using group by class. Okay, just write it this one. Write it this query and also output purpose. Output also write it. Okay, yeah. This query and also output write it. Just copy paste only in place of department number, job I may write it. Awesome query. Write a query to display number of employees in each job from EMP table by using group by class. Okay, yeah. Now last query only, just practice. Okay, just observation purpose output. Okay, here. Completed. All are writing this query. And output only. Output also write it. Okay, this is a group function count of star. Completed. Next, last one. Now check it out here. Suppose here not only count star, so many functions you have an idea in a previous classes, group function, max, min, average, sum, like this. Suppose each department, minimum salary, maximum salary, average salary, sum of salary. So those all functions I want. Yes, possible. Now here check it out. Just here I'm changing a what here, department number or job like this only. Here, yes, here practice purpose, or maybe in a previous classes, group functions are there, minimum of, so no, maximum of something is there or not, minimum salary like this. comma, maximum salary like this, anything, just I'm changing only. Now here, yes, here. In a group functions also I'm using only. Now observe it here. Oh, maybe this report is understandable by higher authority person. Yes, 30th department, lowest value and highest value. A 10th department, which one is the lowest salary, which one is the highest salary. In a 20th department, which one is the lowest salary and highest salary. It will display or not? Yes, here, simple. This is a report, higher authority person, understandable. This report in a very different reporting side only. Now here, write it. So now this one also, another example, write it, query also not required, just example. Write it, this query, these 3 queries based, I'm asking something, then you understand. This is also write it, query not required, this example, each department maximum and minimum salary. Just group functions in a previous class, we are starting only that group functions I'm applying, that's all. Here select a department number, comma, min of cell, comma, maximum cell from EMP group by department number. Random order also not a problem. Completed this one. Output, okay, yeah, output something, okay, roughly anything also, or maybe min and max value. Enough. Now, up to now, I am not telling you what anything in a group by class. Just I am only experienced person, I am writing some queries. Now some outputs you are observing only, and now slowly observe it. Why I am writing about these queries means reason is there. Now onwards, slowly observe it here. Very important. Slowly concentrate here. Suppose now what I am writing means, now here check it out. In a first query, I am writing a what something only. Now here check it out. Slowly observe it here. First query, I am writing a what? How can I? Yes, here this is a first query I am writing in a today. Select department number, comma, count star from EMP group by department number. Again, second query means how I am writing means just here in place of department number, I am changing a what? Oh, maybe another column. Job is a column. Copy paste only. Just I am writing only. Okay, fine. Again, in a third query, not only count star, oh, maybe any columns, any group functions also we are allowed to use in a group by class queries. That's why, yes, here in the third query only, we are writing a what like this. Okay, fine. Yes, observe here. Just 1 minute only, observe what these all the queries only 1 minute. Observe here. Now check it out. These are the 3 queries today. I am writing. You are not knowing this queries also. I am writing only this one. Okay. This is in my project side group by class reports. Okay, first also group by class is there in the query, second query also group by class is there, third query also group by class is there. Slowly observe it here, these queries. In these queries, construction side, one question I'm asking only, that one you are telling correct answer or not, great. Observe it here. Suppose first query you are observing or not, whenever in a first query, I am using a what group by class. Whenever I am using a what group by class in a where first query, in a previous classes, we are learning a group functions are not max, min, count, star, average like this. In a first query, whenever I am using a what group by class, then one of these days I am using a what one group function. Which group function I am using? Oh, maybe count star. Slowly observe here. Here only key concept is there. Again, in a second query also you are observing or not. In a second query, yes, whenever I am using a what group by class, in a second query also one group function I am using. Which group function I am using? Yes, here count star is a group function I'm using. In a third query also, whenever I'm using a what, a group by class, yes, one of these days I'm using a what, group functions. Which group functions are there? Min is a group function and max is a group function is there. That's why in these three group by class report side, whenever I'm using a what, a group by class in a query side, then I am writing a what, some group functions also. First query also group function is there, second query also group function is there, third query also group function is there. But what is my doubt? In all relational database system in the worldwide, whenever I am using a what, group by class in a query side, then mandatory to use a what, a group functions, otherwise not a mandatory. I have a doubt only. Compulsory we are using a what, in a group functions in a group by class queries, otherwise without group functions also my group by classes are working. Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? Easy, guessing easy. Whenever I'm using a what, a group by class queries in a project side, then mandatory to use group functions. Group function means max, min, average, count star, count column name, again some so many functions are there. No, yes, mandatory to use group functions, otherwise without using a group functions also group by class is working. Mandatory or not a mandatory? Anybody guess it? Mandatory or not a mandatory? Very good. All are telling a what, mandatory. They are telling no, not a mandatory. Without using a what, these group functions also your group by class is working. Very important. But 90% of the report side group functions are there, their only meaning is there, but unfortunately without using these group functions also group by class is working only. And now here check it out. Yes, here without using, some fellows are guessing only. Yes, correct. Yes, why I am giving the guarantee that one means today we are learning one of these stages only, how it is executed group by classes. Observe it here. Yes, how I am giving the guarantee means here syntax. Observe it here, group by class syntax. Select. Here they are giving a column name, not a group function. Group function you are using or not using also working. That is a mandatory. They are not giving only from table name. Here group by column name only. That's why always which one? Whenever we are using a what? Yes, group by class queries. Yes, without using a group functions also group by classes are working. How it is working? What is that one means next only today, and don't worry. That's why in all relational databases we can also use group by class without using group function, without using group function. Anybody interested to check me? Suppose select, don't write it, select department number from EMP. Okay, fine. This is a what department numbers I'm selecting. But in this case, I'm not interested to use a group function. Just blindly, I'm using a what, group by class, group space by department number. Yes, working on. In this query, anybody observing or not, in this group by class, any group functions are available? Not available. That's why in all relational databases, we can also use group by class without using any group function. But group function is useful, but without using a group function also possible. That is the first smallest rule. Then a very important rule I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, here write a note. Some fellows are telling very good. Write a note. Write it. Write a note. Not only counting anything. Okay, yes. In all relational databases, we can also use group by class. We can also use group by class without using group functions. Group function is in a query. Okay, yes, group functions. In all relational databases, we can also use group by class without using group functions. This is the first smallest one. Okay, example, write it. How it is working also next we are learning, don't worry. Example. Write it this one. example. We can also use group by clause without using group functions. Write it this query and output also write it. This theory finished up in all relational database, not only Oracle, every database. We can also use group by clause without using group functions. Now this example, write it. Now this example. Completed fast. Make it fast. Hello, hello, hello. This is completed. Completed? Yeah. Understood? Okay. Now onwards again concentrate. Again, now important. Okay. First smallest one I'm telling. And now okay. Suppose I'm a first time newcomer. I am reading an article in a way. Suppose in my project group by class queries are there. I'm not understandable. For example, I'm a first time newcomer. Now I'm in a Google, I'm typing I want group by class, then I'm reading articles. Every other writing I want, yes, we can also use a group by class without using a group function. They're writing, okay, fine. Yes, based on that knowledge in my system, I'm trying only now onwards I'm trying, okay. Oh, maybe they are telling a what without using a group functions. Yes, group by class working, they're telling only. That's why based on that knowledge, I'm typing blindly some query. Observe here, select in a query. Now here department number is a duplicate data is there, job is a what, duplicate data is there. Again here, anything also, any group function also, just observe here. Again count star, sum of salary, anything. Okay, so now here, for example, some query I'm typing, for example, and now here, yes, here without using a group function I'm not writing. And now here from EMP group space by now department number blindly I'm typing. Okay, what they're telling everyone without using a group function, group by class working, they're telling based on that knowledge. Just I am only typing in my system department number, job, again department number. I'm typing like this only, but unfortunately it won't work. What is this one? This query is not working. What is the problem? Now check it out. It will give a error, not a group by expression. Screen observed. Yes, here error. What is this one? Not a group by expression. Up to first three queries are working, but suddenly I am learning a one smallest rule. Based on that knowledge, I am writing blindly some query that is not working. Observe here. Again. Concentrate. Here only key concept is there. Suppose, okay, I don't know anything executions also. First, okay, I'm thinking like that. Okay, why it is not working? Maybe department number column I am using in a group by after. Here I try to use a job is a column, another column. Maybe this is working or not, I'm testing. Now I try to use a what, job is a column. I try to execute this query. Again it won't work. What is this one? Again this query also not working like this. What is this one? Again error, not a group by expression. Yes. Again some query, again another query, anything also I'm typing. Suppose for example anybody, some fellow is telling a what, some query only, I'm using a what in a Google, that query only, just I'm typing a what, some query like this only from EMP like this. Here group space by, here department number I'm typing only. Yes, this query also not working. Observe it here. First three queries you are observing or not in a today class. Yes, here first three queries I am writing only, those queries are working. Okay, fine. But suddenly in a way here last three queries you are observing here, some queries I am writing, I am only typing only. Here error, not a group by expression. Again error, not a group by expression. Again error, not a group by expression. What is this one? Each and every time in this case also not a group by expression, error is there. Why? Means reason is there. Anybody attending a what, a previous classes? Anybody attending a what, a previous classes? I'm telling what I am telling. Anybody remembering? to care, to date, I'm telling or not, conversion functions. Okay, in that class, what I'm telling, you are remembering or not? Whenever we are using a to underscore care function in our Oracle side, whenever we are using a what to underscore date function in our Oracle, otherwise in all databases, group by clause you are using in a where query side, compulsory we must follow some rules. Rules, very, very important. If you are not following the rules only, it won't work. These are not working only. Because executions based only, they are telling what rules. That's why in the first three queries, I know the rules only group by clause. That's why I'm following the rules only in a group by clause. That's why first three queries are working. But last three queries, blindly I am writing anything. I am not following the rules. Anything also I'm typing only. That's why it is not working. What is the universal rule in a where when we are constructing a what group by clause? That is most powerful, very, 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 very important rule only. What is the rule means? Screen observe it, screen observe it. Any query you are taking, not only this query, any query, observe it here. Suppose whenever we are using a what a group by clause queries, first observe it here, construction observe it. After select keyword, other than group function columns, how many columns are there? Count it. Other than group function means here group function, which one is there? Concentrate, very important. Group function, which one is there? Sum is group function is there. This salary, this is leave that one. Other than group function columns, how many columns are there here? One, department number. Another one is what? Two columns are there. But after group by, observe it here. Yes, after other than group function column, how many number of columns are there? What are the columns are there? Yes, those all columns must be specified after group by clause. After group by clause, which column is there? Only department number one column is there, but this job is not there. That is the problem. That's why other than group function columns, how many columns are there after select? Then those all columns must be specified after group by clause. Here two columns we are using, but here only one column we are using. It won't work. It won't work. In this case, Oracle side, not a group by expression. Why this error means? I will tell you. Don't worry. Executions we are familiar. Now check it out. Yes, that's why in this case only it will give us a what error. Now you are a good professional. Means once today you are learning execution. After that one, just comma. Here we are using a what job. It will working. How it is working? Also I will tell you. Working. Oh, something is there. Okay, fine. What is going on? Now check it out. Suppose here any function, suppose here this group function is not available also. Now here in a previous case, here other than group function column, here how many columns are there? Here two columns. Here how many columns are there? One column. Group function is not there also in that queries also. Here two columns are there after select, but after group by how many columns are there? One column is there. It won't work. It will give us a what error? Not a group by expression. In that case, you are a good professional. Means just we are using a what? How many columns are there? We have to check it out. Those all columns we must specify after group by clause like this is job. Then working. Observe it here. Working or not? How it is executed also I will tell you. Okay, that is important. Now here working. That's why first rule. What is that rule? Other than group function columns specified after select, then those all columns must be specified after group by clause. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error, not a group by expression. Not only Oracle, every database also error. But this is very, 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 very important rule only. Now here first rule, right? Group by clause rule is a most powerful concept. Then only executions, all the things I will start. This is the first concept. That's why to care, to date. This one means compulsory rules. First we are learning. Then only executions only. Write it. Rule. Write it. Writing rule. Other than. Write it. Other than group function columns. Group function columns specified after, other than group function columns specified after select means select statement. Okay, after select, then those all columns must be, specified. Then those all columns must be specified after group by clause. Otherwise Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Returns an error. Not a group by expression. Not a group by expression. Oracle said it. Not a group by expression. Example 1. Oh, this is some query. What is this query? Also, you don't have an idea, just rule space only. And now this one, write it. Here something only, some columns and group functions I'm using only from EMP group by department number. And now here department number comma job. No, yeah. So now here left to right only, that is a rule. Example 2 also, these two write it. Then I am starting a what? Executions most powerful. Here second query also, maybe group function is not available also. This rule you have to follow. Here group by here department number comma job. Okay, some queries this one. Now rules purpose. Okay, this theory write it first. Then everyone underline here department number comma job, underline it. Here also underline it. Completed. Everyone underline it. Department number comma job. Here also after group by department number comma job, underline it. Again next second query also, some query is there here. Department number comma job, underline it. Here also department number comma job, underline it. Everyone underline. Why? Because here onwards again important, most powerful, not completed. So many things are there here. Completed. Yes, very good. And now observe it here. Now concentrate here. Finished. Okay na? Hello, all are completed. Completed these queries. All are writing. Hello. Yes. Okay. Now concentrate. Now very important. Now one question I'm asking. This question answer anybody telling me is really great. That's why up to now I'm not telling executions. Very interesting. Now check it out. Okay, I am only telling what I am telling. Left to right I am telling. Left side to right side I am telling. Left side to right side I am telling a rule. Left side to right side is a rule only. Okay, fine. What is that one? Oh, maybe I'm telling after select only whatever columns are there other than group function column. Those all columns we must specify after group by clause. Otherwise, not working. I'm telling okay, fine. Here in this query also, last query also, other than group function columns, other group functions are also not there also. Left to right, left side, how many columns are there? 2 columns are there, department number comma job. Right side only after group by, we are using about 2 columns. But I have a doubt only. I have a doubt here. What is that one? Right side to left side, I'm asking now. Right hand side to left hand side. What is the meaning of this one? Means observe here. After group by, two columns are there here. But after select only, I am trying to display only one column. Now I am removing this column only. Now this query is working or not working. Guess it. Maybe. Anybody guessing is really great. Great. Okay, so now here, yes. What is this one? After group by, two columns are there, but after select one column only, I'm displaying only. This is working or not working, working or not working. Some fellows are telling working, some fellows are telling not working, some fellows are telling trying in a system, some fellows are still waiting only what is going on. Whoa. Yes, they are not understandable. Now here, yes, here. Now that's one. Now. Working or not working? Very good. Who are telling a what? Working is a what? A correct answer. Yes, here. Working. What is this one? Working. Yes, here. Who are telling a what? Working means, yes, here. Correct answer. Most powerful. What is this one? In a previous case, left to right is a rule, but right to left is working. After group by, so many columns are there. In those columns, less number of columns we are using also working. Now working. Why interviewer asking what this question means? Reason is there. This question you are telling a working. Some fellows are telling a what working also. How it is working? They're asking. How it is working? They're asking only. In that case, executions you have an idea or not, check it out purpose interviewer asking. Executions are most powerful. That's why up to now execution I'm not telling. Now check it out. Here. Yes, working or not. How it is possible? Right hand side, so many columns are there. Left hand side, less number of columns we are using means working. But left to right is not working, but right to left, how it is working? So many fellows are confusing. That's why always first executions you are familiar. Now very important. Group by clause executions you have an idea. These all the rules you are understandable. Group by clause execution is different. Group by clause executions are most powerful. Now I am telling only execution. Very important. That execution based only, yes, here always they are giving a what? These all the rules only. What is that execution means? Concentrate. Don't write it anything. So many things are there. Suppose whenever we are submitting a what group by clause in a Oracle server, how it will be executed? That is important. Suppose concentrate here. Don't write it here. Suppose select. Don't write it here. Department number, comma job. Don't write it here. Observe here. From EMP. Here, group by department number, comma job, we are writing. Okay, fine. For example, department number, comma job, we are writing. In some queries. Otherwise, some queries here, group select a department number, comma, so now department number, job, and now here from EMP, group by department number, you are writing. Otherwise, some queries side group functions also you are writing. But unfortunately, screen observe it. Whenever we are submitting award, these type of any group by class queries also, first control does not goes to where, yes, after table name, select statement is not executed. So many fellows are telling what, select after columns only executed. That's why, yes, group by clause is what, yes, this is the way it will be gives a, okay, so now here your rules only, it will be thinking. But unfortunately, this is totally different. How group by clauses are executed means first control goes to where? Table. Okay, fine. From clause is there, no? Table. Okay. Then first which clause is executed? Group by clause is executed. That is important. Very important. Group by clause, after group by clause, whatever now columns we have to specify after group by clause, those columns only taking from the table. That is important. This is the first step. This is the first step only executed. Very important. First step is what? After group by clause, whatever columns are there, those columns are selecting from the where? Table. And that one something arranged only. After that one only select after whatever you are displaying, that is executed. That is important. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Now really that is correct or not, we are checking. First we are checking only practically, and now check it out. Observe here. Whenever we are submitting a what, this query, don't write it. Observe here. First, how it will be executed means I will tell you. Don't write it anything. 5 minutes, concentrate. Very important. Execution means step one. First, how it will be executed means group by clause is executed. Group space by. After group by clause, which column is there? In this example side, department number is there. Observe here. After group by clause, which one is there? Department number is there. This column taking from the where? Table. Okay, na? Yes, this column taking from the table. And now here, check it out. This column is taking from the table only. Suppose here, now check it out. Here, department number is a column is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now you are understandable. Suppose 10 is there, 20 is there, again 30 is there, again, okay, so 20 is there, again 30 is there, again 10 is there, again 20, again 30, something is there. Suppose in this case, group by clause, whatever column is there, that column values are taken by the server. Then after that one, slowly observe here, here it will be arranged into similar data items into where groups internally. Suppose here this is 10. 10 how many times are there? 2 times are there. This is one group, it will be arranged. Again, so many similar data items are there. 20 how many times are there? 1, 2, 3. For example, in this case, 3 times are there. That's why 20, 23. Okay, similar data items are arranged into where? One group. Again, another similar data item is what? 30 is there or not? Yes, that 30 also arranged into one group. Now here physical groups first. Now here one group only, but unfortunately this 10 is reduced, and only one time only 10 is storing in a where? Internally somewhere. Absolutely here 10. These 10s are reduced. Okay, na? Yes. These 20 is reduced. Number of rows are reduced in each group. Yes, so 20 is stored in a where? Somewhere. Absolutely here. Don't write it here. Again 30 is reduced. That 30 is stored in a where? Somewhere in a database only. This is called this 10, 20, 30 is stored. This result is stored in a where? Some place only. That is called in a Oracle database side result set table. Very important. Group by clause result is a table actually. Result set table. Okay, internally result set table. In different database, different one. And now that's why this result is stored in a where? Some table, a result set table, some temporary table like this only. But Oracle side internally result set table. This is a column is there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now this is the first step. Or maybe whenever after group by whatever columns are there, based on that columns only similar data items are arranged in groups, and internally reducing number of rows in each group, and that result is stored in a where? Some table only. Okay, fine. Now second step, how it will be executed means different. Here second step is most powerful. Step 2. In a step 2 means select keyword is there, no? Select keyword, select column names, group functions, I am telling you, no, that is executed. How can I select here? After select, we are using a what? Which one? Which column? Department number column. Yes, here from like this only we are using. Now, whenever we are using a what? Yes, here this select statement is executed next in a step 2 only, but whatever specified, whatever you are interested to display these columns only, these columns information retrieved from the where? Not in a original table. This is retrieved from this result set table. This result set table is there, no? Yes, this result set table column only it will be retrieved. Now here, observe it here, not from the table. Yes, this table only. Okay, result set table. That's why here department number, it will be displayed. This much of execution is there, most powerful. Now here, observe it here, 10, 20, 30. That's why what I am telling, suppose here department number here, another column is there, job is a column is there. For example, this job column and the department number column, 2 columns are there, for example, in this result set table. But here, yes, group by is arranged only this result set table result, but unfortunately I am displaying only department number column from this result set table possible. Suppose I am displaying a what? Not a department number, yes, job column from this result set table possible. That's why always we can also display less number of columns information into the client only from this result set table possible. That's why here after group by so many columns are available also, after select less number of columns we are displaying. That much of execution process is there, most powerful. These executions are diagrammatically we are learning only. Okay, next, don't worry. And now here, yes, suppose for example, and now here check it out, first time newcomer. Now yes, here first how this grouping is arranged I am telling only. Now check it out. Suppose select so now I'll concentrate department number comma job is there. Okay, na? From EMP. Now you are understandable, at least how it is grouping only. Department number comma job from EMP means how many rows are okay displayed? 14 rows. Okay, fine. Now you are only tell me practically, now here you are only arranged only, then you are understandable executions first. Here I am writing a what? Group space by here department number, comma, job I am writing. Whenever I am submitting a what? This one. Now first which class is executed? Tell me anybody. Yes, very good. Some fellow is telling group by class, columns only executed. Department number, comma, job. How it will be executed? Now tell me department number, comma, job based only groups. Here 20 clerk is there. 20 clerk. This is a record. 20 clerk. Again 20 clerk is available. Anybody check it out? Yes, 20 clerk is there. Second time. This is a record, no? Yes, here. This 20 clerk is arranged into where? One group. And also reducing a what? These 20 clerk and 10 clerk. One time only this 20 clerk is storing. Observe here. Slowly observe here. Yes, how many rows are there? You are counting only first today. 20 clerk is there. Okay. Next, 30 salesman. It is arranged into where? One group. Because two columns, no? 30 salesman. 1. 30 salesman. 2. 30 salesman. 3. 30 salesman, 4. 4 times 30 salesman, 30 salesman, 30 salesman, 30 salesman is arranged into where? One group. But unfortunately, reducing a what? 30 salesmen 4 times into one time. That is the default nature of the where? Yes, group by class. That's why 30 salesmen internally in a result set table, how many times it will be storing? One time. Very good. Some fellows are telling correct. Salesman. Remaining all the things you are telling very easy. Now. Again, department number, comma, job based only this one. Again, 20 manager. 20 manager, how many times are there? Maybe duplicate data is there, this record? No, only one time is there. That's why 20 manager also storing in a where? In the result set table. Okay, each and every group is a record, no? Yes. 30 manager, how many times are there? 2 records are there? No, 1 record. Here 30 manager also, one group is there. That is stored in a where? Result set table. Okay, fine. Observed here. Yes. Again, 10 manager, how many times are there? One time. That's why this one time 10 manager is storing in a where? In a result set table. Okay, yes, here. 20 analyst, how many times are there? 2 times here. 20 analyst, 2 times. 2 times it is arranged in that group also, one reducing a what? 2 times into one time. That's why 20 analyst is storing in a where? Here. Again, 10 president, how many times? Only one time. Yes, here 10 president only. Oh, so now observe here, 10 president is a one time here. You are counting only this one. Then you are understandable president. Now here, yes, here. Next, 30 clerk, how many times? Only one time is there. Here, 30 clerk only. Here, 30 clerk like this. Again, another one is 10 clerk. Here, 10 clerk. Anybody in our class only count it? How many number of rows are there? Count it first. Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, maybe 9 rows are internally stored in a way result set table internally. Here 2 columns are there. One is job, another one is what? Another one is what? Yes, department number. 2 columns are internally storing in a result set table. Department number and job only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now these are the 2 columns are stored in a where? In a group by class result. Okay, result. This is a result only. Okay, fine. Now I am also, you are also interested to display less number of columns from this result possible, because this is a table, result set table. That's why here from this one less number of columns also we are displaying possible or not possible. How can I here select, observe here, select here department number only I want to display. Yes, possible. Yes, department number means this department number retrieved from the where? Which table? This result set table. Here how many department numbers are displayed? 9 times. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose here I don't want to display department number, only job I want to display, means this job is retrieved from where? Yes, very good. Result set table. Here 9 times, here job only displayed. Simple. That's why here, now check it out. Here really that is correct. In a previous case, here you are observing or not, a group by department number, job also. Here department number, how many times are there? 9 times. Really that is correct or not? We have to check it out. Here 14 rows are there or not? Now here, yes, here I am writing. Don't write it here. Group by group, sorry. Here group space by here department number, comma, job only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now how many rows are displayed? Slowly observe here. 9 rows. Observe here. 9 rows. 9 rows. This is the execution. Now check it out. In place of that one, just depart less number of columns also you are interested to display possible. Yes, department number. Here, how many times are displayed? Here, 9. 9 department numbers are displayed only. The diagrammatical I am telling next only. Don't worry. First observe it here. Suppose here job I am writing only here in place of department number. We are writing a what? Job like this. Yes, how many times are displayed here? Job 9 times. That's why anybody interviewer asking a what? Here, yes, here after group by class, we are writing so many number of columns only. But after select less number of columns, I try to display working or not working. They're asking me, don't mistake only working. Because execution, you have an idea or not, check it out purpose interviewer asking. And now here, that's why those all the things diagrammatically I will tell you, don't worry. And now check it out here, diagrammatically all the things I will tell you, don't worry. Next, concentrate here, not completed. And now here, observe here. Suppose these are all the things I'm explaining, for example. Otherwise, tomorrow we are telling you diagrammatically, step by step, all the things I'm telling only, okay, fine. But you are understandable, okay, concept. But whenever interviewer asking what, oh, this is our report I want, write a group by class query means so many fellows are unable to write. Suppose in a real-time project side also group by class query, so many fellows are F-writing only. That's why I am designing the beautiful concept only. Observe it here. I am designing about those persons purpose. Simple rule I am designing. I'm experienced person. Yes, here, how it is working internally, some group functions I know. Yes, that's why that is tomorrow I'm telling. But today, yes, how much easy way you are writing a what? This group by class queries means, observe it here. First observe it here. Very, very interesting only. I am designing this role. What I am thinking of what most of the group by class queries are group functions are there most of the time. In that case, in those queries, how easily you are writing this, I will tell you now. Now check it out. Concentrate here first. Observe it here. Suppose in every database in the worldwide also, reasons also next class I am telling. First today construction I am telling. Suppose I am writing a what? Individual group functions, either sum, either average, either vocation of here, yes, here, max, min, anything also. Individual group functions we are writing, there is no problem. There is no problem in a databases. Observe here. In a previous classes also, you have an idea, individual group functions we are using, there is no problem in a databases. Observe here, reverse side, just. But unfortunately, in a group function with in a column, we are displaying, comma, here, in a column, suppose here job is a column, department in a column, it won't work, impossible. Why it is not working, how it is executed, next classes. Observe here, not working, impossible. You try it, it won't work here. Reasons also there, don't worry, here it won't work. In that case, blindly go for group by class. Here, yes, blindly, now here, just we are using a what? Group space by, after group by, other than group function column, other than group function, which one is there? Job is a column, is there according to database rules. Just job we are writing, then automatically, yes, this query is working or not. This is the simplest way you are constructing learning means. Then next, okay, why it is not executed, what is that one? These all the things I will tell you. First observe it, construction we are practicing. First time newcomer, no? Yes, easy or not? Now check it out. Reverse side you are practicing means dead easy. And now here, concentrate here. In a query also, suppose select here, yes, group function, individual group function we are using from table, okay, fine, like this. Individual group function means there is no problem. Observe here, group, there is no problem. But unfortunately, yes, group function with, yes, here in a column we are trying to display, impossible, it won't work. In a database also it won't work. Why it is not working also, next I will tell you. And now here, yes, next class only. And now here, observe here, it will give us a what? Error. In this case, we are using a what? Group by class. Here, group space by. Here, after group by, which column we are using? Other than group function, which column is there? Department number is there according to database rules. Here, like this, automatically working or not? Yes, simple. How much easy? Oh, maybe something is going on. And now here, yes, here, how easily construction, observe it here. Suppose, so okay, first initial stage today, some queries I am writing. No, those all queries also I am only, okay, internally I am thinking like that only, that I am writing. Suppose here, first query you are observing or not today, select count star, individual group functions. individual group function. Select count of star here from EMP. Individual group function means there is no problem. Yes, here individual group function, there is no problem only. There is no problem. But unfortunately here now here group function with. So now here yes another column. Suppose here now check it out. Here department number is a column is there. I try to execute this one, it won't work. It will give a what error, not a group by express, not a single group function only. Here like this. Now here yes here. Now here we are using a what? Which one? Yes, here group space by other than group function column. Which column is there? Department number column is there. Yes, automatically working or not? Yes, here something is going on or not. That's why this is the easy way in a where reverse side constructing means it is working. That's why now up to this one is enough today. And now tomorrow very important. What I am telling, executions diagrammatical I am telling. These rules based only we are construction we are learning. Then after group by class, having class I am telling. And now in a having class based only in a previous classes, date functions we are telling now to char to date. Through that one only we are writing the queries. Then order by class we are using. Then only select statement completed. Then number functions. Then main chapters, joins and all these things. Okay, na? Yes, here up to this one refer it. Tomorrow I will tell you because big concept is there. No, yes, tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Tomorrow, don't miss the class. Not completed. No, that's that concept. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue those things. Correct. Tomorrow I will tell you. These are all the things. Very easy. One name is long, means confusing. Okay, tomorrow easily understandable, nothing. We are writing and execution diagrammatical. I'm telling you, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.